Today we will discuss about derivative of implicit function. Now, what is implicit function? Any function in x and y which cannot be expressed either in terms of x or in terms of y easily, it's called implicit function. For example, number 1, x cube plus y cube is equal to 3 into x into y. Now, for this function, you cannot express x in terms of y or y in terms of x easily. These functions are called implicit function. Implicit function. So what we do, we simply differentiate respect to x, respect to y. If you have to find dy by dx, you must differentiate respect to x. So you can write differentiating. You can write differentiating with respect to x. We get ddx of x cube. This is for beginners. ddx of y cube and ddx of 3 times x into y. For x cube, the derivative is 3 times x to the power 3 minus 1 whole square. For y cube, the derivative will be 3 into y square. For y, it is dy by dx. 3 is a constant. X into y, x and y are two different variables. So for x, the derivative is 1. So y gets multiplied. This is product rule. U into v, u into dv dx plus v into du dx, whatever it is. For x it is 1, for y multiplied. Now x into, for y, if you differentiate respect to x, you will get dy by dx. Now 3 is a common factor. So you cancel 3 on both sides. So x square, y square, dy by dx, y plus x dy by dx. Now take dy dx in the same side. Dy by dx common, you will get y square minus x is equal to y minus x square. That is dy by dx is equal to y minus x square divided by y square minus x. Example of derivative of implicit function. Now move on to second example. Number 2, x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3. This is the formula of asteroid. Now again you will write differentiating with respect to x. We get ddx of x to the power 2 by 3, ddx of y to the power 2 by 3 and ddx of a to the power 2 by 3. In calculus, except x and y, all are constants. X to the power 2 by 3, this is power is 2 by 3. Formula will be 2 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. That is minus of 1 by 3. Again 2 by 3 into y to the power minus of 1 by 3. We are differentiating y respect to x. You have to write dy by dx. For a is a constant, it is 0. 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 0. You can cancel the common multiple. So this is 1 by x to the power 1 by 3. 1 by y to the power 1 by 3 dy by dx is equal to 0. After simple algebraic steps, you will get minus of x by y whole to the power 1 by 3. This is your solution of dy by dx. Number 3, x into y is equal to sine of x plus y. Again, this is an example of implicit function. You cannot express y in terms of x or y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x, we get this is u into v again. For x it is 1 and for y multiplied, then x into for y it is dy by dx. Simple. Product rule, u into v, x into y. For x derivative is 1, y multiplied, plus x into for y it is dy by dx. For sine theta, the derivative is cos theta. Simply differentiate this. This is your first function, sine function. For sine it is cos. Now move inside. For x the derivative is 1 and for y it is dy by dx. Now we will collect all the terms involving dy by dx. X dy by dx is there. This is cos x plus y in dy by dx. So minus of cos x plus y multiplied to it dy by dx. Again cos x plus y into 1 minus y, that is dy by dx is common, x minus cos x plus y. This is cos x plus y minus of y. Therefore your dy by dx is simple, cos of x plus y minus y divided by x minus cos x plus y. Simple. Number 4, tan of x plus y, tan x minus y is equal to 1. Now if you differentiate this respect to x, so for tan function derivative is sec square x. Simply write sec square x. Assume this to be x, but it is not x. Now go inside. For x it is 1. For y you must write dy by dx. When you are differentiating different variable respect to x, you have to write the derivative. For tan x again derivative is sec square x, but this is not x, this is x minus y. Then you differentiate again. For x it is 1 and for y it is dy by dx. If you differentiate 1 it is 0. Now multiply sec square x plus y, sec square x plus y multiplied to dy by dx, sec square x minus y multiplied to sec square x minus y dy by dx is equals to 0. Now collect all the terms involving dy by dx. So take dy by dx common from those terms. You will get sec square x plus y minus sec square x minus y. You take these terms on this side, get minus of sec square x plus y plus sec square of x minus y. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus sec square x plus y minus sec square x minus y divided by sec square x plus y minus sec square x minus y. Thank you.